Bueno, muy buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Santiago López, estudiante de primer semestre de la tecnología de análisis de costos y presupuesto, y voy a hacer entrega del reto número 2 de la semana número 2 de la opción 4, que sería leer el primer capítulo de este libro que se llama Financial Literacy and Financial Education. Entonces vamos a comenzar. Comenzaría por acá. Ok. The first one, a theoretical framework for financial literacy and financial education. 1.1, Operationalization of financial literacy. The earliest known use of the term financial literacy can be tracked back to 1992, when a report for the National Foundation for Educational Research (NFER) commissioned by NatWest Bank defined financial literacy as the ability to make informed judgments and take effective decisions regarding the use and management of money. Okay, Dr. Sonny Tradlin in 1992. Financial literacy as a theoretical construct was championed by the Jumpstart Coalition for Personal Financial Literacy in its inaugural 1997 study Jumpstart Survey of Financial Literacy among high school students. In this study, Jumpstart defined financial literacy as the ability to use knowledge and skills to manage one's financial resource effectively for lifetime financial security. As operationalized in the academic literature, financial literacy has taken on a variety of meanings. It has been used to refer to knowledge of financial products, ec, what is a stock versus a bond, the difference between a fixed versus an adjustable rate mortgage. Knowledge of financial concepts, inflation, compounding, diversification, credit scores. Having the mathematical skills of numeracy necessary for effective financial decision making, and being engaged in certain activities such as financial planning. Efforts to measure financial literacy date back to at least the early 1990s, when the Customers Federation of America 1990 and 1991 and 1993 and 1998 began conducting a series of customers' knowledge surveys among different populations, which include questions on several personal finance topics: customer credit, bank accounts, insurance, and major customers expenditures areas such as housings, food, and automobiles. Hastings Mariam Skimihorn, 1912. 2012. Uh, the 1997 Jumpstart Survey of high school students reference above has been repeated biennially since the 20s, and was expanded to include college students in 2008. Mandel 2008. Okay. One of the first institutions to introduce the concept of finance financial literacy on a large scale was OECD. The International Network of Financial Education has defined financial literacy as a combination of awareness, knowledge, skills, attitude, and behavior necessary to make sound financial decisions and ultimately achieve individual well-being. Arkison and Messi 2012. This definition is now globally acknowledged and was also endorsed by the G20 leaders of in 2012. G20 2012. The definition makes it clear that financial literacy is something more than knowledge. It also includes attitude, behavior, and skills. It stresses the importance of decision making, applying knowledge and skills to a real life process, and indicates that the impact should improve one's financial well being, according to PISA 2017. Financial impact should improve one's financial well-being. No, I was reading the same. Um, Financial literacy is knowledge and understanding of financial concepts and risk, and skills, motivation, and confidence to apply such knowledge and understanding in order to make an effective decision across a range of financial concepts to improve the financial well-being of individual and society to enable participation in economic life. Okay, the definition has two parts. The first refers to the kind of thinking and behavior characteristic for the domain. The second part refers to the importance of developing the particular literacy in PISA's terms. Literacy refers not only to the capacity of 15 years old students to apply knowledge and skills in a key subject, um, but also to the students' ability to analyze, reason, and communicate as they pose, solve, and interpret problem in a variety of situations. PISA 2017. According to the National Financial Educators Council, financial literacy is processing the skills and knowledge on financial matter to confidently take effective action that best fulfills an individual's personal, family, and global community goals. The OECD or INFE members agreed that various terms used to describe this concept, including in particular financial literacy and financial capability, but also financial culture and financial insight, could be used relatively interchangeably as they reflect similar perception of the reality they aim to cover. It was therefore decided to use the most common international term, financial literacy, for the purpose of this measurement. Survey INFE 2011. Financial literacy is knowledge of financial concepts and how the knowledge is used to make financial decisions, taking into account available resource and the unique situation for each individual or family, according to Xiao 2016. The second component, creating financial capability in addition to the financial literacy. is the financial behavior by which one should understand human behaviors relevant to money management. Common financial behavior includes behaviors related to earning, spending, saving, and protecting money. Okay, in the literature of the subject, we don't have one commonly agreed definition. The financial literacy means different for people and organization. Okay, here we have this table where the information here is explained. The author, the author year of definition on financial literacy publishing. PISA 2017 Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. In young people, knowledge and understanding of financial concepts and risks and skills, motivation and confidence to apply such knowledge and understanding in order to make effective decisions across a range of financial contexts to improve the financial well-being of individuals and society, and to enable participation in economic life. This is like a resume, I think. Xiao 2016 financial literacy has not yet been directly linked to how households choose among different kinds and assets. Okay, the next one. Okay, here we have another table that is the continuation of this one. Okay, Luzardin and Mitchell, 2014. Financial literacy is people's ability to process economic information and make informed decisions about financial planning, wealth accumulation, debt, and pensions. Financial literacy has been defined as the level of financial knowledge and the ability to apply the knowledge to improve financial status. Delgadillo, 2014. Financial literacy is knowledge of financial concepts and how the knowledge is used to make financial decisions, taking into account available resources and the unique situation for each individual or family. Okay, this one for 2012. Financial literacy is a combination of awareness, knowledge, skills, attitude, and behavior necessary to make sound financial decisions and ultimately achieve individual financial well-being. Okay, this table is like the information that we have in the first part, but it's like a resume for it. Then we are gonna skip this and start with the next one. In order to achieve adequate transparency in the area of financial literacy, it is essential to op- operational operationalize the main concepts and related terms. The broadest concept in financial capability, which it is an important factor for the well-being of the household members. Financial capability is an ability to apply appropriate financial knowledge and perform desirable financial behaviors to achieve the financial goals and enhance financial well-being. Financial capability is a combination of financial literacy and financial behavior meant to achieve financial well-being. Okay, here we have another table that can help us to understand the information that we had before. Okay, this is the same. 1.2. Financial literacy consists of the following elements. One, the first element, this one. Financial knowledge and understanding of economic concepts and mechanics of the economy. Financial knowledge helps people to understand the financial concepts and procedures as well as to use this understanding in solving financial problems. It is the knowledge of how to manage the money in different usage, including the monitoring of day-to-day financial matter in the market and make the right choices to financial literate. People's need part of financial knowledge include conceptual financial knowledge, procedural financial knowledge, and applied financial knowledge. Second one, financial skills. The application of acquired economic knowledge in economic decision, analyze, evaluation choices. It is the ability to use knowledge and understanding to manage unexpected or an unpredictable situation in order to solve a financial problem and cover into to a benefit and opportunity to one's advantage. Financial attitudes, financial attitudes, motivation, and readiness to use knowledge and economic skills in various life situations. They are the individual characteristics that take the form of tendencies toward a financial practice or action. They show the inclination or likelihood of a person to undertake a behavior. And the fourth, financial behavior. Behavior in specific situation of the financial market. Bueno, yo dejo hasta acá, ya que se fueron los 15 minutos en esta lectura y voy a hacer el resumen de los 30 segundos de un poco de lo que entendí. Bueno, en general, algo de lo que yo aprendí es que el finance literacy es como la habilidad que tenemos nosotros para poder tomar unas mejores decisiones financieras, como en base a que tenemos a nuestras skills, las que vamos adquiriendo con las inversiones que vamos teniendo, la forma en la que nosotros respondemos a, digamos, un cambio en el mercado, todas esas cosas nosotros las vamos adquiriendo con el tiempo. Y eso es lo que se basa un poco el finance literacy. Es como una combinación de conocimiento de nuestras habilidades y de el comportamiento, que es muy importante, nuestras emociones, el comportamiento que tenemos para poder llegar a una decisión financiera. Es como ese proceso, esas cosas juntas, lo que nos lleva a tener esa decisión. Esa sería un resumen de lo que viene siendo el financial literacy.